Hello guys. Welcome to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an introduction letter for job. What is an introductory letter for a job? An introduction letter notifies an employer of your qualifications and interest to be considered for potential future positions. A cover letter is in response to a current job posting. Before you write your letter of introduction, make sure you do your research on the company you plan to approach. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an introduction letter for job application step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your personal information. It will be appealing if you put the information as a header of your letter. For example, you can write your full name with bigger fonts on the top middle of the letter. And under it, write your address complete with the city, state, and zip code. And then, still in the same line, write also your phone number and email address. Now, write the date today. In this case is September 26, 2023. After that, write the personal information about the recipient. Just like the information on your header, write his or her full name. And write his title or position or just write the company name. Under it, write the full address of the company or office. You need to mention the city, state, and zip code as well. Now, you may open your introduction letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write that you want to apply for a job position in the recipient's company. You have to mention what position it is. And mention also where do you get the information about the job vacancy. In this case, the writer found it in an advertised media. And write that you attach the request documents such as certification, resume and references. In the second paragraph, write how interested you are in the position. And explain why you are the best or ideal candidate for this job. You have to mention that you are high qualified in both education and experience. And write also that you are competitive. Not only that, you need to also mention other strengths that have relation to the field of job you are applying. For example, mention that you are success in designing, developing and supporting applications. And write other details that will be plus points for you. You can make this part in the bullet points so they will be easy to read. This is the part where you impress the recipients that you are the candidate they are looking for. In the third paragraph, write more details about your academic background and job experiences. You have to show the recipients that you are strong in both sides. Here, you can mention your degree. And mention also your knowledge about this field, like maybe mention the levels or something. Now, write details of your job experience. You can start mentioning that you are passionate in learning and using new technologies. And remind the recipient that you attached your resume and ask them to review it. Write that you welcome the recipients to talk further about this through your contact information. And thank the recipients for their time and consideration. And close it by stating how excited you are to speaking with the company about this opportunity. Finally, write sincerely or best regards. And put your signature as well as your full name. So, that's how you write an introduction letter for job application step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you.